Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be guiding you on how to create an account on Lexica. So let us get started. First, open your web browser and type lexica.art in the address bar. Once the website loads, you will see a Get Started button. Click on it to begin the account creation process. Now, you have the option to either continue with your Google account or manually enter your email to sign up. If you prefer the convenience of using your Google account, simply click on Continue with Google and follow the prompts to log in using your Google credentials. Once you have successfully logged in or signed up, you can now start generating images on Lexica. This platform offers a unique and creative way to create captivating images using artificial intelligence. I hope this tutorial helps creating you an account on Lexica and explore the fascinating world of AI-generated images. Thank you for watching and have fun creating beautiful artworks on Lexica. See you in the next video.